Oh, what's up YouTube? How's it going? I'm back again for another random video. I would just like to unbox my new tools that I got. There being a Sawzall and half an inch impact wrench so I can take off my tires. Our reciprocating saw. Just the tools, no batteries. I already have an impact gun and a drill, 20 volt with the charger, so don't care for any more batteries. Not gonna have any room in here. So without further ado, Scooby-Doo, let's get these open. Now I did pick these up on sale after Black Friday for 129 Canadian. These things go for like 220 Canadian. So I got it at a good time. Let's take this off. Oh. Nice. And these were on sale too. Got some Diablo blades, 20%. Save a 20% value. I could pay 20 bucks for 6 blades. Wood and some steel and plastics. Onto the Sawzall. So the tools ended up costing me $300. Oh, of course I'm gonna drop that. All my junk. I had a gift card. So that was nice. Nice little gift. Used my gift card and got my gifts. So I didn't pay nowhere near that price. These tools are freaking expensive. It's nice to get a deal in life once in a while. This one doesn't light up. The XR one was a beast. Looked like a gun when you hold it. The plug-in one, not a big fan of the way it looks. I like cordless. They hold their value. People love them. So there you have it, guys. There's my little set. I like the belt clip. No more hassle taking off my damn tires. Should be a breeze now. Bring it on, winter. There you have it, guys. Thanks so much for watching. What else we got in here? These are nice to have. You just get those at the dollar store. Got a few tools in here. You're a big D-bolt fan. Do some drywall there. Some various screws. And that's pretty much all I got. In my D-bolt bag. Fancy. And you can't do drywall without your stud finder. That's good to hang up pictures too. And so you don't electrocute yourself. And the battery charger. 3 different levels when it's plugged in and charging your device. In case you don't know what that looks like, let me plug it in. Take that out. So, in case you're wondering what it looks like, I'm going to charge it. I find the 20 volts are a lot better. They're stronger, thinner, makes the tool lighter to hold in your hand. There you have it, guys. Thanks so much for watching. So one means pack is charging, pack is charged, then I guess flashing. Hot, cold delay. Okay. There you have it, guys. Thanks so much for watching. Please like and subscribe for more random videos because I try to upload somewhat often, and I'll talk to you real soon. Bye for now.